Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Thiên Bảo.
How do you spell your name?
G-I-O.
Good job. How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
What's your job?
I am a pupil.
Good. How are you today?
I'm
I'm
fine, thank you, and you?
Yes, I'm very happy to see you. And today we have speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
What animal do you like best? What animal?
I like crocodile.
Oh, you like crocodile. What color do you like?
I like blue.
What number do you like?
I like number 1.
Good. What food do you like? What food do you like? Apple, chocolate, cheese.
Is
What do you like?
I like watermelon.
You like watermelon. Okay, now look at the laptop. Speak louder. What animal is it?
Is
What animal is this?
this animal
It's a...
is a cow.
Good. What animal is this?
Is a horse.
What is it?
Is a duck.
Good. What is it?
Is a rabbit.
Good. What animal is this?
Is a hen.
What animal can you see?
I can rooster.
I can see.
I can see rooster.
Good. What animal can you see?
I can see elephant.
Good. What animal
I
can you see?
can see monkey.
What do you like?
I do like tiger.
What animal do you like? I like...
I like crocodile.
Good. Okay, now tell me, what animal do you like best? What animal do you like best? I like
Crocodile.
you like crocodile, and I will ask you some question about crocodile. Is it long or short? Bảo.
Long.
It's long.
It's long.
What color is it?
Its color gray and black.
Good. What does the crocodile eat?
The crocodile is meat and fish.
What does the crocodile have?
The crocodile has big
Mouth
mouth
and
a long teeth.
so many long teeth. What can the crocodile do?
The crocodile can run very fast.
What can the crocodile some more? What can the crocodile do some more?
The crocodile
Can
bite.
bite. Where does the crocodile live?
The crocodile lives in the road and river.
Very good. Okay, now, what animal are you scared? What animal are you scared? I'm scared.
I'm scared tiger.
Are you scared of the tiger? Okay, now, is it big or small?
It's big.
What does the tiger say?
The tiger says, run, run.
What color is this?
Its color orange, black, and white.
Good. What does the tiger have?
The tiger has four legs.
What does the tiger eat?
The tiger eats meat
and
and
chicken,
chicken,
pork,
pork,
and beef.
and beef.
What can the tiger do?
The tiger do.
The tiger can
The tiger can
run
run
very
fast.
where does the tiger live?
The tiger live in the roof,
Zoo
zoo,
and
and roof
forest.
forest.
Okay, thank you Bảo.